Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate timing light that'll take your automotive experience to the next level, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll guide you through our top picks for the best timing light available on the market. We'll dive into essential features, user reviews, and expert recommendations that will ensure you choose the perfect tool for your needs. Plus, stick around for an exclusive affiliate link where you can grab these incredible deals. Let's light the way to better performance and efficiency. Let's get started. Number 5. AUTOOL Timing Light, the perfect tool for precise ignition timing adjustments. This automotive ignition timing light is engineered to intuitively test the timing scale on your engine, ensuring optimal performance. The strong blue-white xenon tube delivers a brilliant flash, making it visible even in bright daylight, while the sliding sensor clips offer secure and easy connections. Safety is paramount, with reverse polarity and overload protection, along with rubber-covered alligator clips. You can work with peace of mind. This versatile timing light is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, from cars and motorcycles to ATVs and boats, all utilizing 12V ignition systems and handling up to 1,000 RPM. Its ergonomic pistol grip design ensures comfort during use, and with a 3-year warranty, AUTOOL backs its quality, providing lifetime technical support for any assistance needed. Upgrade your maintenance toolbox with the AUTOOL Timing Light and experience the benefits of precision tuning. Number 4. OBDMONSTER Automotive Timing Light, your ultimate companion for achieving optimal performance from your classic vehicle or motorcycle. This powerful 12V inductive ignition timing light is designed specifically for both 2-stroke and 4-stroke petrol engines, ensuring effortless operation across various ignition systems. Its ergonomic pistol-type design provides comfort during use, making it easy to operate with strategically placed press keys that enhance your experience. Safety is paramount, and the OBDMONSTER features distinguishable red and black sensor clips, facilitating a secure connection to positive and negative poles with ease. The device excels with its advanced functionality, allowing you to intuitively test ignition timing on the engine flywheel or belt pulley. This makes adjusting your ignition settings a breeze. It even detects automotive knock suppression and vacuum advance angle control, allowing for precise adjustments as you change speeds. Remember, for optimal performance, always connect the red clip to positive and the black to negative. Unleash the potential of your classic ride with the OBDMONSTER Automotive Timing Light. Number 3. JEGS 40750 Digital Inductive Timing Light, your ultimate companion for precision timing in both professional and novice automotive applications. With its high visibility LED display, you can easily read your settings even in bright conditions. The super bright xenon flash delivers instantaneous feedback, making it perfect for precise timing adjustments on the fly. Designed to operate within a 9 to 16 volt electrical system, including magnetos, this timing light seamlessly adapts to a variety of vehicles, whether it's your everyday street car or a high-performance racer. The push-button functionality grants you control over advance and retard timing settings, allowing for tailored performance enhancements. Simplify your tuning process and maximize your vehicle's potential with the JEGS 40750, a must-have tool for any automotive enthusiast. Whether you're looking to dial in your street vehicle's performance or needing a reliable tool for advanced tuning, the JEGS 40750 is here to assist you every step of the way. Number 2. KZYEE KT60 Engine Timing Bulb, your ultimate tool for accurate timing on 2- and 4-stroke gasoline engines. This automotive timing light features a digital display that provides accurate readings up to 10,000 RPM, making diagnostics easy. Whether you maintain classic vintage cars, motorcycles, or agricultural machinery, this timing light is designed to ensure your engine is running at its best, preventing problems such as rough idling and increased fuel consumption. Its adjustable timing feature is essential for detecting timing backlash in engine flywheels. The clever design includes a sliding sensor clip for easy access and accuracy. With reverse polarity protection, the KZYEE KT60 protects against battery damage, giving you peace of mind while you work. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles that operate 9-16V ignition systems, this timing light is a must-have for any enthusiast. With features designed for efficiency, the KZYEE is your preferred choice for achieving perfect timing and engine performance. Don't settle for less. Improve your vehicle's maintenance with KZYEE. Number 1. Innova 5568 Pro Digital Timing Light is a game-changer for automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its 4-function digital readout, you can easily measure tachometer, advance, dwell, and voltage, ensuring precise engine performance diagnostics. This universal fit timing light features patented skip circuitry to accurately test RPMs up to an impressive 990. Built for durability, its heavy-duty shock-proof housing comes equipped with a molded boot, protecting it from fan blade impacts. Additionally, the detachable 6-foot leads with inductive pickup enhance usability, allowing for one-hand operation, making your workflow seamless. Plus, it arrives in a molded plastic storage case, ensuring that your tool stays organized and safe. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIYer, the Innova 5568 Pro Digital Timing Light stands out as an essential tool for your garage. In conclusion, mastering the timing light can significantly enhance your automotive skills, ensuring precise ignition timing adjustments and improved engine performance. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, understanding this tool is essential for any car maintenance routine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to stay updated on more helpful tips and tutorials. Empower your automotive journey with knowledge and take your craftsmanship to the next level.